Today in this video, we are going to discuss how to share files with Linux apps on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To get access to the files in the Linux application, we usually have to move the required files to the Linux files folder. However, if you want to share entire Chrome OS files and folder with the Linux application, then you can easily do so. For that, simply select the download folder, right click on it, then click on share with Linux. Similarly, if you want to share your Google Drive files, then select my drive, right click on it, then click on share with Linux. Also, instead of sharing all the files and folders, you can also share a soft folder. So for example, here I have a soft folder called new folder. If I just want to share this folder, I'll simply right click on it. Here I'll get share with Linux option. Click on this option to just share that soft folder. Now, if you want to access these shared files inside Linux application, then you have to open the application. Click on the file folder, then click on open. Now here you have to navigate to System Files, MNT, select your Chrome OS, and here you will find your Share Files and Folders. To access your Chrome OS file, simply select My Files option, and here you will find your download folder. Open it, and here you will get the access. Now to get access to your Google Drive folder, then again go to Files, MNT, Chrome OS, Google Drive, and here you'll find your Google Drive files. So that's it. This is how you can share and access Chrome OS files with the Linux application. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.